Hello everybody and welcome back to Jaltest VLOGs. Today we're going to look into how to configure the measuring units and how to do unit conversion. So first thing that we're going to do is, if we want to change our measurements, we would go to our preferences button, jump into configuration, and here we're going to have an option which is units of measurement. Here we can measure pressure in PSI kPAs, but also in megapascals, millibars, or bars. You can select whichever ones you prefer for pressure, temperature, length, volume, speed, and so on. We can do it in the international system. Automatically it will select them, or in the USA. All right, click on that to reset values of defect. Since we're in the States, it's going to be USA, and you would be ready to go. Now, if by any chance there is a situation where you don't know what the measurements it's giving you, because instead of saying foot pounds, it's giving you another measure, you would go to unit conversion. Right here in our question mark, there's a button, unit conversion. This is a calculator. So what we were talking about before, if we introduce the value in bars, automatically we have the value in pascals. If we would put it in inches of HG, here we'd have the conversion. If this instead of bars were in H2O, here we have the ratio. And this works the same for pressure, temperature. It's going to work for flow volume or whatever. So you have the different values, and then it will calculate the result. With this, anytime that you see a measurement that you might not understand or you want to get a second reference, remember, go to the question mark, unit conversion, and you'd be able to do that. And that's going to be all for this one. Thank you very much, and see you in the next vlogs.